Hey YouTube, this is another video of the birds, Pippi and Poppy. Pippi's the green one, Poppy's the blue one. And, oh, I gave them broccoli this morning. They knocked it down, probably because they were eating it. I'm going to put it back up. Hi Pippi. Before I started this video, Pippi was really talkative and stuff.
Go down and see if he'll go at it again.
Yeah, I'm going to see if Pippi starts to chirp some more. Nope.
You're right.
Yep, Pippi's afraid of cameras for some reason. So, yeah.
Wait,
knock down the broccoli.
We are still holding Moss the mouse.
Pippi's, there Pippi goes.
That's not anywhere near what he can do, though.
Now Pippi's being talkative. Listen. Wonder what he's saying. See you on another pet video.